I would recommend really, before you sign up for an online math class, really think about what it will entail. It's on you to complete the work. You're still going to have to do handwritten work. It's not all online. You have to go to a proctoring center to take your exams with paper and pencil. It's not easier. Don't look at it as maybe this is how I can get through my math course. You really need to be ready to work hard and communicate effectively.
This is my advice for success in an online math class. First of all, you should explore the site completely. Read everything the instructors put on there for you. Make sure that you make notes of due dates and that you print off anything that's going to help you with that.
And from there, it's all about organization. Maybe organize a notebook for the homework, for different aspects. Maybe even keep notes over the policies, because it can be difficult to keep track of all the policies in the math course.
I think the student-to-student interaction is huge. I think I try to do all I can to encourage it. What I've noticed is that the students that tend to interact with each other, they tend to do better in the course. As an instructor, it's fun to watch students interacting with each other in the discussion forums and helping each other out, especially when you see them take off. They help one person, they help somebody else, and you can tell this student, you can just hear them in your mind, you can hear what they're saying, and it's like, boy, this student really gets it. And the more they help, the more people they interact with, these ideas start to solidify even stronger in their minds. I think that's probably one of the most difficult things for me to get students to understand in the online environment, is how important it is to stay connected as a class.
That's the scary part about an online course. Lots of students think, I can kind of hide, maybe I can sneak my way through, but it really never happens. So you've got to be extroverted. You've got to stand on your own 2 feet and, you know, take responsibility for your work.
At the end of the day, a lot more responsibility for understanding the material falls on their shoulders.
It's important to use the resources that are made available to you. For instance, ALEKS in an online math course is something that you would be using, and so you would want to make sure you spend plenty of time with that.
Taking an active rather than a passive role in your student learning. The students that are the most successful are the students that actively engage themselves.
Then when you start doing the work, I'd recommend keeping your notes very organized. Use highlighter as you run into problems. How they should take notes, I tell them to write what they need to know. Be sure and email your instructor if you have questions about something, because I hope that most of us are going to get back to you very quickly.
I've had students tell me they feel a little guilty for quote-unquote bothering me. And I'm like, no, you don't understand. That's what I live for. That's why I'm teaching online, is I really enjoy helping answer those questions.